What's good, YouTube? Today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make every threes in 2K Mobile. So what you gotta do when you're from here, right? What you gotta do, just shoot, right? So when you shoot, you gotta hold it though. So you gotta shoot, but hold it. So every time you do that, you're gonna make every single threes. So what you gotta do again? Hold, like when you shoot, hold, but just let it go like that. Like hold for a while, then let it go. But you have to do this perfectly though. So let's say you're over here, right? So hold, then let it go. It works every single time, So let's see when I shoot from over here. Hold. Oh, I missed that. That's a bad shot. But like, you guys get what I mean though, right? So let's say you're from here. What you're gonna do is shoot and let it go. And you make it every single time. I'm telling you guys, just wait for it, like it goes up and you have like a little bit left, and then just let it go. So let's say over here, hold it, let it go, and you make it every single time, guys. I never miss in games just because of this. So you just gotta do this for a while, right? So let's see over here, hold, let it go, make it every time. Let's see over here, hold, let it go, works every time. All right, so we have a couple more minutes left. So let's say you want to shoot from here. So this is most of the time it's not gonna go in. So this is probably most likely not gonna go in because it's like half court. But let's try it. Let's try from over here. You hold it, let it go. That went in. All right, for the last shot, I'm gonna shoot it from all the way over here. Let's see if this goes in from all the way over here. So you hold it and you let it go, and that's in.